Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Venice. I'm a licensed esthetician here in Jamaica, and today we'll be talking about yogurt for hyperpigmentation. I came across this article online about Lori Harvey. She's a celebrity. She's Steve Harvey's daughter. She's dating Michael B. Jordan. Basically, the girl have influence. Alright, so apparently she's been using yogurt on her face to fade her hyperpigmentation. But I'm like, hyperpigmentation where? Have you seen her skin? Flawless. She has been using that, and she shared it on TikTok apparently. And of course, once anybody who's influential shares a hack or a tip or anything, the whole world go crazy. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So as we know, for years people have been using food on their skin to help with whatever skin concerns. I hear people, and I said that I've heard it because I've never done it myself. I've heard of people using egg white for protein treatment in their hair and even putting it on their faces. What is the other one? It's pear. Then it's the pear, or as the Americans or anybody from foreign would like to say, avocado. They use that as facial masks. This other one, no. I don't know how many of you have been seeing the Ensure facials on the internet, but that's not what this video is about. So I am a yogurt lover. I love my yogurt. Every time you go to a supermarket, we take up 3 my favorite yogurt them, because me love eat yogurt. Just something about yogurt. So now that I see Lori using it on her face, I'm like, what is this? So I decided to do some research and see why. In the article, doctor made a statement saying that one of the reasons why somebody would think to use yogurt for hyperpigmentation is because it contains lactic acid, but the lactic acid in yogurt isn't potent enough to actually do anything to fade dark spots. For those of you who do not know, lactic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid used in skincare for brightening and lightening of the skin. It also helps to attract water molecules to the skin, so it's one of the more hydrating exfoliants, or one of the more hydrating chemical exfoliants on the market. So I get the aesthetic and I get the vibe, wanting to put food on your face, have like a holistic spa day at home, facial day at home using food and stuff. But if you're actually serious about getting rid of your dark spots and hyperpigmentation, it's best you look into getting products, for example serums or moisturizers with lactic acid and other ingredients that are formulated to target that problem specifically, and eat your yogurt instead, like I do. I've personally used the lactic acid 10% plus hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. It was hydrating, my skin loved it, it was mild, and it gave good results. They do have it in a 5%, which is even more mild for somebody with a more sensitive skin type. So this good molecules serum is actually something that you can leave on your skin overnight. It is a combination of alpha hydroxy and beta hydroxy acids, so you're getting exfoliation on the surface and inside the pores as well. I will link the article in my description below so that you can go and check it out for yourself. And thank you for watching again. I really appreciate the time that you guys take to watch these videos, and I'm trying, a girl is trying. All right, so I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.